In this video, I will show you 7 highly paid jobs to make extra money starting today. What's up everyone, this is Rifat Abu Hassan, and in my channel I share with you different ways of making money online and generating passive income. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, because I come up with videos like this every single week that teach you how to make money online. Also, comment below where are you watching this video from, you guys, so that I know more about you and from which part of the world you are watching this. This really helped me to organize my content so it fits what you're looking for. So comment below from which region or country you are watching this. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the video. So today, you guys, I'm going to share with you 7 legitimate websites that offer high-paying jobs to you in the US. These sites you may not heard of before, and most of them pay per hour. So the first website, you guys, is called Shipt. And Shipt is an American delivery service owned by Target Corporation. It offers same-day delivery from various retailers to its members through either a smartphone application that's available on iOS or Android platforms, or via their website. So the way it goes, when a customer make a purchase through any retail store, what you need to do is to go and pick it up and deliver it to the address they put in. This service is similar to Postmates, DoorDash, or Uber Eats, but with Shipt you can make up to $15 per hour. The second website, you guys, is called Amazon Flex. And Amazon Flex is a same-day delivery service that Amazon has. And since it's the same-day delivery service, you will need to check whether it's available in your area or in your city, because I know it's not available in all over the US, but I left a link in the description below for you guys where you can find the retail store location in the USA. So check that out. You will need to deliver the packages within 2 hours of the order placement. So this service lets people order and receive items from Prime Deliver within that time frame. Now, to get the job done and get paid, you will need to deliver packages within that delivery window, and you will need also to have a car and a smartphone, and you will be paid anywhere between $18 and $25 an hour. The third website, you guys, is called Carver Ties. If you own a car, you've probably heard the expression that a car loses its value as soon as you drive off the lot. Well, that's not a big deal if you plan to use your car to make money. And that's where Carver Ties comes. It is an advertising company that pays drivers like you and I to place removable advertisement of major brands on your car. So to be qualified, you guys, you need to have a clean driving record, a factory finished paint job, a car made not before 2008, and to be able to drive a minimum of 30 minutes per day. Now, Carver Ties will pay you monthly to drive around as regularly as you do every day with the ads on your car. And you guys, this is a good way to have quick money, because you can make up to $600 per campaign if they pay top dollars. If not, you can probably make between $100 and $150 for driving around as usually as you do, just with a big advertisement wrapped to your car. The fourth website, you guys, is from a website that is called Take Lessons. This is something that I personally enjoy since I teach at the university, but with Take Lessons you can teach any type of thing that you know and love to do, because everyone, you guys, is good at something. There is always something that you know that you can do very well and you are passionate about. This can be anything from painting to drawing to singing to driving trucks or language. Whatever you are good at, there are lots of people who are interested in what you do and want to know how you can do it. So this website allows you to connect with those people and teach them those skills that you know. So you would teach people that thing that you would know, and you will charge them accordingly. So it's up to you to put how much you want them to pay you for teaching them that skill. The fifth website, you guys, is called Show Around. This is an amazing website if you live in a metropolitan city where people come as tourists to do some sightseeing and do some exploration. The concept is designed for travelers who are tired of the tourist places and who want to discover cities from a different perspective. And you can charge whatever rate you want to show people around the city. One downside of that job is that it's challenging to make your schedule 100% because it's all dependable on the people who send requests, and if you are available, then you'll do it. But this job would be good for you if you are a people's person who like to meet people and socialize and expand your network. For myself, I live in a city where it has lots of tourists coming every year, and lots of those people want to explore the city from a local perspective. So this website makes it possible for them to connect with locals to go and explore around with. So lots and lots of locals here use this application or website to show tourists around. So the sixth website, you guys, it's actually two websites, but because they are similar, I put them together, which is Rover and Sitter City. So Rover is a pet walking and sitting application and a website. It's a platform for pet owners to privately message pet sitters within the sitter's customer service area to earn money for dog walking, pet sitting, bathing, feedings, and so on. Where Sitter City is a childcare and babysitting platform that connects parents in need of sitters with trusted, reliable, and qualified sitters. So if you guys love pets or babysitting, and if you are in a place where it has high demand for it, then this website is for you guys. Job number 7, you guys, it's called Playo. And Playo is an amazing and very rewarding job in my opinion, which focuses on monitoring senior people. Because guess what, you guys, according to a study by the New England Healthcare Institute, there is as much as half of the population in the US who are on a chronic medication routine fail to take it as described. And most senior people can't understand the information on the labels of the prescribed drugs. So the idea here is to provide people like you and I who can help by calling older people and remind them to take their medication and explaining how to take it and provide support and help for them. And you guys, you can get paid anywhere between $14 and $18 per hour for doing this. It's really a rewarding job that you can do and give to people in need and give back to your community. So here you go, guys. These are the 7 websites that you can have high paid job with. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up because it really helped the video, and share it with others so that they can have the benefit that you had. My name is Rifat Abu Hassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.